Welcome to Tech Leveler. I'm Lee, and in this super quick video I'm going to show you how to find bus routes in Google Maps. So first let's open up Google Maps. Then let's select a location by dropping a pin. Then let's select a second location. Let's choose on the map. So we've now set up a route. Now when the routes are first set up, it'll also go into a car mode. As you can see here, just under the route, a picture of a car. However, if you want public transport, you want to press the next one here, a little picture of a train. And this is public transport. And it'll change the route to use public transport. And when you scroll down, it'll show you all the routes to use public transport. This route involves walking, bus, train, and walking again in some instances. And it also tells you the buses you'll need to catch, or the trains. So that's how to find bus routes in Google Maps. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, smash the like, smash the subscribe, and most of all, thanks ever so much for watching.